How to overcome alcohol addiction without going into rehab. A step-by-step recovery plan. You don't have to check into a rehab center to take back control of your life. You don't have to leave your job, your kids, or your home to start healing. And if you've been wondering whether it's even possible to quit drinking without going away for 30, 60, or 90 days, I want you to know it is. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to overcome alcohol addiction from where you are, using the tools, resources, and strength you already have. Whether you've tried before or this is your first time, this step-by-step guide is here to walk with you. You don't need to disappear to get better. You just need to begin. Alcohol addiction isn't just a bad habit. It's not just drinking too much sometimes. It's not something you can always muscle through with willpower. Alcohol dependency rewires the brain's reward system, numbs your natural stress responses, and creates both a psychological craving and a physical need over time. The reason you may feel like you can't stop is because your brain is fighting you every step of the way, especially when withdrawal kicks in. So, the first thing I want to say is this: you're not broken. You're dealing with a complex addiction, and that means you need real strategies, not just guilt or shame. Before you take any action, you need to make a clear decision. You're going to stop drinking, for real this time, and you're going to do it for a reason that matters to you. Maybe it's your health, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's a second chance at a life you once dreamed of. Whatever your reason is, write it down. Put it somewhere you see it. That reason will become your anchor when cravings hit and doubt creeps in. This is the fuel that empowers your recovery. You need more than a wish. You need a strategy. Here is what goes into a solid plan. Set a quit date, ideally within the next 7 to 10 days. Inform your circle. Tell at least 1 or 2 people you trust. Remove alcohol from your environment. Out of sight, out of reach. Know your triggers. Stress, loneliness, boredom, social pressure. Write them all down. Choose your coping strategies. Walking, journaling, calling someone, breath work, whatever grounds you. This isn't a diet, it's a transformation, so make the plan personal, practical, and powerful. Here is the truth: detoxing from alcohol can be dangerous. If you've been drinking heavily for months or years, quitting cold turkey without support can cause seizures, heart issues, or worse. That doesn't mean you need to go to rehab, but it does mean you need medical supervision from your doctor, telehealth support, or a home detox program. Access to anti-craving medications like naltrexone or acamprosate. Daily check-ins with a nurse, friend, or coach. Don't try to tough it out. This is your health. Detox should be safe, monitored, and supported. If alcohol used to numb stress, fill time, or make social situations easier, then removing alcohol leaves a huge void. To fill it, create a new evening ritual. Tea, podcast, stretching. Replace drinking with something rewarding, a hobby, game, walk, or recovery journaling. Learn to regulate stress with breath work, movement, or even music. Make sober fun, mocktails, sober meetups, or creative outlets. The goal is not just to stop drinking, it's to build a life you don't want to escape from. You don't need a facility, but you do need support. Here are your options. A trusted accountability partner who checks in daily. Online recovery groups like Smart Recovery, Reddit's Stop Drinking, or local Facebook groups. A recovery coach or sober mentor you meet with weekly. Daily tracking with apps like I Am Sober or Sober 2. Guided journaling like the 7-day Addiction Recovery Journal. You may be healing at home, but you don't have to heal alone. Cravings will come. It's not if, it's when. So let's be ready for them. Here is your go-to formula. Delay. Tell yourself, just 10 more minutes. Disrupt. Stand up. Change locations, drink water, breathe. Disarm. Say out loud, this craving will pass. It always does. Document. Write down how you feel, what triggered it, and how you handle it next time. Every craving you survive makes the next one easier. Structure keeps you grounded. Your routine might include morning reflection or journaling, movement or stretching, a daily sober check-in like an app, friend or group, evening wind down without alcohol, weekly reflections to track progress. Keep it simple and repeatable. Habits create identity, and identity sustains recovery. Relapse happens. It doesn't mean you failed. It means you're learning. If you slip, don't hide it. Talk to someone. Reflect. What triggered the return to drinking? Adjust your plan. What needs to change? Restart. Not from scratch, but from experience. This is not about perfection. This is about persistence. You don't have to go away to start over. You don't need to disappear to find yourself again. And you don't need to wait for rock bottom to rise. You can quit drinking from where you are starting today. And if you need tools, we've got you covered. Download the free 7-day addiction recovery journal to help you reflect, track, and plan. When you're ready for the next step, the 30-day recovery journal will guide you deeper. And don't forget the crown jewel, the ultimate guide to overcoming addiction, a full roadmap for healing, freedom, and long-term transformation. It's available in ebook, paperback, and audiobook formats. You can beat this, and we are here to help you do it.